What do these sets of four random ingredients all have in common? Well, they are examples of one of my favorite food memories, the Kids Chop Challenges. This extremely intense food competition has been taking place in our house for the last 10 years. It started as a way to entertain the boys on a very wet summer afternoon and has blossomed into a full on production where each of the three of them, along with any other kids who happen to be there, meticulously prepare, plate, and present their incredible creations. Trish and I have been the victims, no, sorry, the judges of hundreds of dishes, and I have to say that over the years, the look, smell, and taste of the plates they present have improved greatly. What I love most about this tradition is the fact that it is teaching the kids not to be afraid to try new things, to take food risks, and be creative in the kitchen. And they also tend to eat the food that they make, even when it includes ingredients they normally wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole. The very best thing is that the Kids Chop Challenge is now their food story. Now, if only I could get them to keep the kitchen clean. Oh well.